The original builder of the airplane was Jack Poe. How the airplane started out, it was a wrecked Super Cub. And I guess, I don't know, after a bunch of beers one evening, talking with friends, I don't know, they say, hey, let's do this out of that airplane. About 1961, they had the harebrained idea of putting the airplane together. Jack wanted to do a low-wing airplane, but it didn't quite work out, so he did a mid-wing, and they did an open cockpit. They kind of threw it together to see if it flies. Okay, it actually flies, it's going to work. So then, then it became the Midwing Special. The airplane has a lot of hometown history, local history, primarily from a guy named Ned Surratt. He used to fly air shows for the last 30 years in it. There's a lot of home stories around our airport because Ned used to go out there every Saturday afternoon and loops and rolls, just kind of over the field and this and that. And it would bring a lot of people to aviation. People would stop, watch them, and take a flight lesson. Around early 2000, the midwing was starting to get a little bit worn. So he took it apart and it was sitting at my home airport for a long time in the back of the hangar, kind of tucked away. So eventually Ned moved out to Phoenix. So he sold it to me, and this past year I really had the time to go through the airplane, redo a lot of things, and get it back together and get it flying again. So we went through the fuselage, got that all back together, and redid the wings, and obviously there was a couple things in there to change, and my plans were to fly it maybe in competitions or something, so we just wanted to make sure it was going to be safe, and if there was any changes we could do to lighten it up or make it safer, we were going to go ahead and do that. From the beginning, I mean, it was just a neat looking airplane, so I really did want to put it back together, and it's a one of a kind.